Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to make YouTube in Infinite Craft. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Infinite Craft. After that, open the official website and you will be redirected to this web page. Now you just need to follow my steps carefully and you will be able to do it. First, add water and fire together to get steam. Then add fire again and then add steam into it. After that, place fire near it, but don't mix them together yet. Now add two engines together to create a rocket and then add train to the rocket. Now you can get rid of the fire as it is extra. Once you get a bullet train, add two rockets together and a satellite will be created. After that, add satellite with bullet train to get internet. Then add fire and earth together and then add water with it. Now add steam with the stone and then combine the resulting element with internet to get YouTube. So that's basically how you can make YouTube in Infinite Craft. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.